Hey guys, you're welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making pasta and meatballs. This particular recipe tastes really good and it's very easy to make. If you want to see how to make this, keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. This recipe requires pepper base, which consists of green bell pepper, onions, garlic, sombo pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and few tomatoes. You'll also be needing onions, tomato paste, dry pepper, thyme and curry powder, salt and stock cubes, ginger paste, vegetable oil, and pasta. You can decide to use any pasta of your choice. You'll also be needing meat stock. For the meatballs, you'll be needing minced meat, egg, thyme, breadcrumbs, pepper, salt, and stock cubes. Transfer your meat into a big bowl, which will enable you to mix properly. Now add in all your ingredients. The reason for adding breadcrumbs and egg is for the meat to bind together. So we're going to mix this thoroughly to combine. Now I'm going to take a portion of the meat and roll it into a small ball. You can get minced meat from the supermarket, or you can simply blend your normal meat together with the ingredients in a blender. So our meatballs is ready. So my oil is already heated. Now I'm going to place my meatballs into the pan. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. So we're going to fry this till it's brown. Don't worry about the inside of the meat. We're still going to cook it in our pepper sauce. So I'm going to gently turn this over. So our meatballs is ready and I'm going to take it out. In a different pot, add in your oil. Add your onions and leave to fry for some minutes. Now add in your tomato paste. Stir thoroughly and leave it to fry till it's crumbly. Now I'm going to add my peppers, which I already blended. For you to make a delicious pasta, you must ensure you get your pepper base right. Now add in your spices. I'm sorry I skipped the part where I was pouring in my seasoning. I don't know how I omitted that part. Just ensure you add your stock cubes and salt, okay? Now cover this up to cook for some minutes. Now our sauce is ready, so I'm gonna add in my meatballs gently and stir till it combines with the sauce. Now add in your meat stock and leave it to cook for some minutes. After it's cooked, gently take out the meatballs. Lastly, add in your boiled pasta and stir till it's combined. Now I'm just going to cover this up to cook for some minutes. Now our pasta is ready. It looks so good. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.